Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can reply an email by using ChatGPT. For example, if you don't know write English, if you don't know how to reply an email informally, then this video is for you. So in this video, I am going to show you that how you can reply an email without writing anything, which means ChatGPT will write your email, then you can reply it. So for example, I have an email here. Dear sir, I enjoyed speaking with you the other day at the interview for the job name. The job appears to be an ideal match for my skills, ambition and interests. So this is a email for job interviews. So now I'm going to show you that how you can reply this email by using ChatGPT. So for replying this, you need to go to Google, then you have to search here ChatGPT writer. Okay, then go to this website chatgptwriter.ai. After coming to the website, you will see an option called download free extension. Click on here, then you will see an Google Chrome extension. You have to add it on your Chrome. Add extension. So as you can see that the extension is adding on my Chrome browser. So this is it. So now I'm gonna reply the email. So for replying that, I have to firstly click on reply. Then in this option you will see an option called ChatGPT Reader. You have to click on this option, then you have to select use free version. Okay, you have to log in here, otherwise you can't reply. Okay, I gave my email here, then the password. Okay, so I logged in here. So I logged in ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna reload this. Okay, now I'm gonna click on reply. Okay, then click on ChatGPT writer. Then this type of dialog box will open. Then don't, as you can see, the email is now added here. Now they are gonna create a reply here. So click on generate reply. As you can see, they are generating a reply for your email. Okay, as you can see, you have to give your name here. Then as you can see there, they write an extraordinary email for you. So for that you don't need to do anything. You have to install the extension, then you have to log in the chat GPT, and then it will work automatically. So now you can click on generate reply. Okay, the email is generating for your reply. So again it is generating. As you can see, if you don't like the previous one, you can generate again. Okay, then you have to click on insert generated response. So as you can see, the response has been added in your reply section. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.